Good morning and welcome to another vlog. This is the first vlog that I'm shooting with my iPhone, but it is special because I am going to NIFT, and y'all know already by the title and the thumbnail. And today morning started with my ma'am calling me that उनको हमारे batch की 2025 pictures वगैरह चाहिए है. So she said make a Google Drive link, ask everybody to upload pictures and videos on it. Decent videos, obviously not all the fun wala videos. So we uploaded that and everybody started sending memories and photos and pictures from our days back in college on our group. तो वो सब देख रहे थे and it was such a wholesome morning. उसी में 2 घंटे गए सुबह की morning के. I'll show you all. See, wait. Everybody shared so many pictures and video. See, it's so cute. So basically that happened. That is how my morning went, which was very very wholesome, and I really miss college days now. But title और thumbnail से अगर नहीं समझ आया हो तो basically we are going to get our certificates today from NIFT. We have a valedictory function today from 4. हाँ जीन्स चलेगी. और शर्ट मतलब टी शर्ट नहीं. टी शर्ट भी चलेगी अच्छी वाली कोई हमने ली हो तो. Follow me. Yes, so 4 p.m. onwards चालू हो रहा है. मैंने फोन दिखाई दीजिए. Yes, so 4 p.m. onwards it's going to start and है काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें व्लॉग में, आप वो देख लेना क्या क्या है. We are going to get our certificates, everybody is going to come, it's going to be like a mini reunion and I'm very excited. My outfit was a struggle to find. I'll probably tell you all about that when I'm getting ready. Right now I'll do yoga, take a shower and then we will start getting ready soon because मेरे को लेट नहीं होना. I might go early ताकि सब लोग जल्दी आ रहे हैं, थोड़ा हम लोग जल्दी मिल ले, फोटोज maybe make a reel or so let's see. And my mom and dad are going to come obviously. My sister is not sure but she will most probably come. But yeah, I am excited. Let's go. Finally after हम लोग का जून में ख़त्म हुआ था, so this is going to be July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, after 8 months. So I'm excited. Chalo, now let's go do yoga and then take a shower. It's 12 o'clock already. I woke up at 9 to 11 was just me scrolling through gallery and then uploading pictures and then scrolling through WhatsApp and looking at everybody else's pictures. And now we shall go get ready. I need to iron my clothes, my mom's clothes and my dad's clothes also. Let's do that. Understand this camera settings in this light because I don't know, it's just a little weird. But my dress is ironed, मैंने मम्मा का भी कर दिया. I'm going to do my makeup first and then I will meet you guys after I'm done with my makeup because उसकी मेरे को reel बनानी है. So let's do that. It is 2:30 currently. 3:30 मेरे को घर से बाहर निकलना है. So I am late already I feel because record करके मम्मा पापा को ready करके सबको करके निकलने में time लग जाता है. So let's quickly get ready. I am all ready. मैं heels बाद में पहनती हूँ. I quickly want to put my nails on. It's a little darker but I don't mind it. It looks nice on my skin tone. I will put it on with my glue only because ये sticker nails से तो मेरा नहीं चिपकता है. eyes look really pretty, but I'm not happy with my baby hair flying off. I don't use wax sticks also. But yeah, this is my final look. I'll show you all वहाँ पे जाके. Please don't mind my hair, यार. I don't like it. I washed my hair day before yesterday ताकि ये ना हो, पर ये फिर भी हो रहा है. I don't know what to do about it. But yeah, chalo, let's go. I'm ready. Also, I put on my nails. It's a little darker, but I feel it looks nice on my skin tone. And then I left for college because we were late. In fact, my entire batch was late. So as soon as we reached college, we met each other. It was a very cute moment because after so many months, it was like a mini reunion. And then the ceremony started very quickly because, as I mentioned, we were late. So initially, start में उन्होंने ना ये video play किया. Remember in the beginning of the vlog, I was telling you all that मैम ने हमसे फोटोज़ वीडियोज़ मांगे थे. It was for this because they were making this beautiful collage, beautiful edit for us of all the pictures and memories of our 2 years together in college, which was very cute, very emotional also. And then they started calling us on the stage for the certificates. I was the first one to be called on stage. मेरा surname की वजह से obviously. It was just a very special moment. I was very happy to be there. I was just living one of my dream moments and I will remember that forever.
Okay.
And then after everybody got their certificates, we were obviously clicking pictures with the entire batch, with the faculties, and then there was a high tea setup. I didn't vlog that, but after that we went downstairs in the campus and we were clicking pictures with our parents, just ourselves with the NIFT logo, all of that, because obviously this was for the last time. And then we went for an after party nearby to this Donna Sky Lounge. I mean, सब अलग अलग गए थे. I went with these bunch of people and it was also very fun. We talked about so many things. We were like discussing क्या क्या हुआ है लाइफ में इतनी बार, आगे हमें कैसे मिलना चाहिए. And it was just very wholesome. Obviously there were multiple topics and it was very fun. We danced also, we clicked a lot of pictures and it was a core memory. It was my favorite day of 2025 yet and it will always be special. In present time, it is the 23rd of March. जब मैं ये vlog edit कर रही हूँ, I realized that I didn't show you all the goodies that we got along with the certificate from NIFT. If you follow me on my Instagram, you might have seen, but if you don't, तो आपको नहीं पता होगा. But I got this also. Before I show you all, please don't mind this and this. My night suit का top has gone for a wash, so this is what we are working with today. And I have my certificate in this. मैं उल्टा दिखा रही because आगे इस details है. And if you've watched the vlog starting में जब मैं stage पे गई थी, they gave me this bag along with the certificate. And we have it here. It has the NIFT logo on it. It's matte black. Looks very luxurious. Now, it has 3 things inside it. Firstly, let's start with my notebook. I don't know how to do this. They've given a plain ruled book with a bookmark and it also has the NIFT logo on it, which is so exciting. Actually, you're not able to see my excitement right now because जिस दिन ये मिला था, जिस दिन सब हुआ था, that time I was way too excited and it's been a month now. So नीचे चली गई है excitement. I mean, it is still very special. I'm not gonna say कि special नहीं है, बस अब boring हो गया. Then we have this black pen, matte black pen, which also looks very chic and nice. It doesn't have any logo on it, but the diary that they've given, they also have a pen holder on the side, which is so cute. I don't know what I'll use this for because this is very special. I'm going to keep this forever. And I don't know किस चीज़ के लिए यूज़ करेंगे. पेन also I don't want to use because वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा. तो it's just special, that's why. And then we have a bottle. इसका मैट फिनिश अच्छे से यहाँ पे फिनिश नहीं आया, बट इट ऑल्सो हैज़ अ लोगो ऑन इट, निफ्ट मुंबई लोगो, निफ्ट मुंबई लोगो नहीं है. एंड इट्स लाइक अ थर्मल bottle. Oh, it shows the temperature here. I just got to know about this.
क्या है कभी 27 डिग्री
टेम्परेचर है, बट 27 क्यों है अभी? इसके अंदर कुछ है भी नहीं और कुछ देर पहले एसी चालू था. आई डोंट नो इफ इट वर्क्स और नॉट, बट इट हैज़ दिस थिंग ऑन इट which I just saw. And that's it. These are the 3 goodies that I got along with my certificate, and it is very, 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 very special. I am actually very, very grateful that I got this. This was all once a dream. I didn't know कि convocation होता है तो कैसा होता है, convocation होता है, I mean कैसा होता है थोड़ा बहुत बस पता था, because obviously I was crazy about NIFT. I'd researched about it like a crazy person, so I knew कैसा होता है वगैरह, and then there are awards and all of that. But along with the certificate they give something or they don't, like this. I didn't know पहले, and when they gave it to us we were like, oh wow. मेरा कॉन्वोकेशन नहीं था, बट इट वॉज लाइक अ कॉन्वोकेशन, सो दे वो वेरी काइंड इनफ टू डू इट फॉर अस ऑल्सो, विच इज़ सो क्यूट. मैंने लिटरली तब से ये ऐसे ही पैक, ये डब्बे में वो थैली में डाल के ही रखा हुआ है कबर्ड में. If this bag had a NIFT logo, I would have preserved this also for my lifetime. So I look like a mess, don't mind it, I didn't know. अभी कैमरा पास में लिया तो समझ में आ रहा है. But I hope you all enjoyed watching this vlog. It was a very, very special vlog. Firstly, because I got my certificate from NIFT. Finally, a NIFT certified fashion designer I am. And the ceremony was so wholesome, so cute. I loved it. And it is my first vlog that I'm shooting with my iPhone. So again, it's very, very special. And I'm glad कि ceremony से पहले I could buy it. Actually, मैंने वो plan किया था कि ceremony से पहले तो मेरे पास होना ही चाहिए, because I wanted to vlog it with my iPhone. And my entire NIFT journey I've vlogged with my phone, and I've craved iPhone like a crazy person. So I was like, ये तो मैं iPhone से ही vlog करना चाहती हूँ. So I will get it before the ceremony. So I'm happy. Let me know how did you guys like the vlog. This is the last vlog that you'll get to see on my page from NIFT as a student. If in future I go as a guest faculty or anything, I don't know, तो आपको maybe देखने मिल सकता है. But for now, this is the last vlog from NIFT. It was a beautiful journey, just very, very beautiful. I cannot put my feelings into words, but you all know, I don't need to explain. You all have been, I mean, जो लोग 2 साल मेरी वो पूरी जर्नी में थे on my Instagram, on my YouTube, you all know, and you all are my OG family, so I don't need to express that right now. But I just hope you all enjoyed watching it. If you did, then not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment and share, and help me grow so that I'll get motivation to make more vlogs and post more often. So if you guys show your love and support, it'll give me motivation to do it more consistently. So do that, and I'll see you really very soon in my next vlog. Bye. Thank you for all your love and support.